Hello everyone, how are you? I'm your new ma'am. I'm back again. My name is Betsy ma'am. Do you remember what we learned yesterday? Yes, capital letter A. It seems you have revised at home. Do you know how to write A? Let's start in the air. Slanting line, opposite slanting line and a sleeping line. Now let's revise what we have learned. Capital letter A. A says A. A for aeroplane. A for apron. A for ant. A for arm. A for S. A for X. A for apple. And A for arrow. Now tell me, which letter comes after A? I can't hear you. Say loudly. After A? Yes, it's B. Now let us try letter B in air. Come on, how to write in air? Standing line, opposite C curve and another opposite C curve. Come on, once again. Standing line, opposite C curve, another opposite C curve. B says B. This is capital letter B. How to write B? Standing line, opposite C curve, another opposite C curve. B says B. B for bell, B for bed, B for bear, B for baby, B for balloon, B for book and B for bus. I have few things to show you. Watch me carefully. Can you guess what I have in my hand? Ta-da! What is this? B for biscuit. Now the next object, B for bow. This is B for bottle. B for basket. And this is B for box. What is this? B for box. And last, this is B for bag. Let me show you how to write capital letter B one more time. Standing line, opposite C curve, another opposite C curve, capital letter B. Now we will see how to write capital letter B on the red and blue line. Start from the first red line, come down, standing line, touch the second blue line. Opposite C curve from red line to first blue line. Another opposite C curve from first blue line to second blue line. Now we will see once more. Again, start. From red line to second blue line, standing line. Opposite C curve from red line to first blue line. Another opposite C curve from first blue line to second blue line. I'm sure you must have revised capital letter A. Now let's see whether you have learnt it or not. Slanting line from red line to second blue line. Opposite slanting line from red line to second blue line. And a sleeping line on the first blue line. Now tell me, after A which letter will come? Capital letter B. Come on, let's see how to write. Red line to second blue line, standing line, opposite C curve from red line to first blue line, another opposite C curve from first blue line to second blue line. As you have learned how to write capital letter A and B, now we will sing a phonic song. A for aeroplane, A says A, 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 A. B for box, B says B, 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 B. Hope you must have enjoyed the song. Now it's your turn to practice writing capital letter A and capital letter B at home. Now see you soon. Okay then, bye.